All right, this video is going to show you how you can change the settings in your Google Meet to view the most people possible while in the Google Meet. So you see here we have a Google Meet full of 24 users. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to present my screen and just see as many people as possible. The first thing that you can do is click on these three dots here and go to Change Layout and set it to the tiled option. You can crank this slider all the way up to 49 people, so you should be able to see 49 people when no one is presenting in the Google Meet. The next option is going to be dependent on whether or not I'm sharing. So I'm going to click on the Present Now button. I'm going to choose a tab, and I have open a Google slideshow here. I'm also going to do split view on my screen so that you can see what it's like when you're navigating just using your own MacBook. So I'm going to tile my presentation to the left side of my screen and have the Google Meet over on the right. So right away you'll notice that I can barely see anybody. I only see 5 tiles along this on the bottom here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to unpin this presentation, and what that does is it makes it much smaller. It makes it look like a tile. And then suddenly I can see quite a few more people. The next thing that I can do, because you'll see here we have this 6 others down here, I can't see quite everyone, is I'm going to click on Command and minus and see if I can see just a few more people. So it looks like I can see just a few more. In fact, it looks like I can see everyone on the Google Meet call now. The other thing that I can do, and you can see this is me talking down here because I'm highlighted in blue, is I can minimize my tile. So that takes me out of the grid here so I can see an additional person. So those are your options for presenting in a Google Meet. Want to see what it looks like for students that use iPads? Then keep watching. Let's take a look at what it looks like on an iPad screen. So if you are a student who is viewing a presentation, you can see pretty much all of the students in the class. It looks like 6 others are off the screen here. If you unpin the presentation, it makes it quite a bit smaller, and so it's harder to look at that slideshow, but you see more students on the screen.